Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a room tour at Jetwing's Jaffna. So I just arrived. It's really early in the morning, like 4:30 a.m. I haven't even slept properly at all, so it's going to be a little bit I look like a dead cow. I don't know where did I come up with that term, but yeah. Okay, that is the entrance. So I'll go there and I'll start from there. This is the view when you walk in, and this side is washroom, and this side is closet, and then coffee station. So in the coffee station, like, these are complimentary, like 2 bottles of water and tea, creamer, sugar, and hot water jug and everything. And this is the closet. Iron board, safe, bathrobes, and hangers, and laundry, and then slippers. I think those are like reusable slippers, so that's a good thing. And when you go here, it's the washroom. Okay, it's the mirror and sink and body lotion, soap. I think that's new. Yes, that's a new soap. What are the other things? It's not named properly. It says your kid hygiene. 2 mugs, hair dryer, and here's a standing shower, and yeah, and this is a toilet. It's pretty small but nice. And when you come here, that's my luggage, and there's a TV, garbage, then laundry. This is the bed, side tables. Look at the artwork. I think it's wood. Ooh. And I love that how the lamps are hanging. It's very nice. It's very nice. There's no AC, and now the hanging lamp. And this is balcony, but you can't see anything outside because it's pretty dark, so I'll show you later. And nice draperies around. So this is the room. It's like prince and a princess, or a queen and a king in a palace, and like, it's really nice. And that's a banana tree. So yeah, the small details that makes it very nice. I'm visiting here after a pretty long time. I have told you guys, even in my past videos, like, I'm in Sri Lanka after 14 or 15 years, and it's really nice to see a really nice hotel in Jaffna. Especially, like, Jaffna is the place, like, it's culturally very rich, but because of war and political reasons, like, it's not very developed in the way of for tourism. Tourism is pretty new here, so it's really nice to see hotels like this, and there are other hotels too. So I will try to stay 1 or 2 nights at each hotel and try to review them. And this is one, and I'll take you, like, it's pretty early in the morning, so I'll show you around as much as I can. Yeah, until then, bye, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. So I just woke up. It's at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I slept around like 5ish, and then I woke up and I have ordered some tea and butters, but I'm gonna take a shower and come back. And if you would like to see the view, now it's I think the one over there is Nalur. That's the biggest temple in Jaffna. Also, I have noticed one thing in this washroom. I would like to show you around. They are using glass bottles just because it can be reusable. That's a very good initiative. Also, they are using like rubber reusable slippers. So this is someone has already used it and they have washed it and then they repacked it. It's very nicely packed and kept it here. So these are all reusable. So it's a very good initiative. Maybe in the other hotels they can do the same thing too, because we do not take those slippers home, or that is not, we can't even use whatever that is provided in the other hotels. So most probably we throw it out, right? And this is something that people can use it again and again and less waste. Shower gel, conditioner and shampoo, and those are reusable too. I'm not sure which brand they are from. If you want more of the shampoo or conditioner or body gel, shower gel, they're gonna fill it up. So it's a nice system. I really like it. Yeah, so I'll take shower and come back. I was taking a shower and the room service came, so I'll show you. Vada, chutney, 2 different chutneys, and tea, milk, and sugar. Yeah, it feels so good. It could have been a little bit more stronger. Maybe I'm way too tired, but yeah. So good. Let's take a dip. Let's take a dip. Let's dip the water in the chutney and have a taste. Nicely presented. So this is green chutney, that is red chutney. I'm gonna try the green chutney. It's my favorite. The chutney is not that spicy, or I haven't dipped it enough. Good. It's like home. Like the vada is like I don't know. There's a difference. Also, they have tempered onions and stuff. That is fresh too. Like in Tamil, they say thalichu podradhu. It's a nice added flavor. Let me taste the red chutney too. Okay, red sambal tastes way better than the green one. Okay guys, I'm gonna just keep eating. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna get ready. I have already ironed my clothes. It's the shalwar. I'm super happy about being in Sri Lanka again. Or even when I'm in India, like I can wear my ethnic clothes like shalwar, sari, all those items ever again and again on a daily basis. That's something that I really miss in Canada or in any other countries. Like even if you go to Mexico, like you can actually wear, but it's not like you would wear every day. So this is something really nice. Yeah, let me get ready and come back. So I'm ready. Finally, I'm wearing my shalwar. I'll show you in the mirror. So I'm pretty excited to leave. I'm ready to leave, and all the sweets that I have bought for them from Colombo. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know. I'm mostly excited, I guess. Yeah, I'll show you. That's my outfit. I have put a small bindi there too. That's put in Sri Lanka, like small dot there. Like all the times they put this. Yeah, that is one of the things we do here. In India, they do the same, but they call bindi. Here we call put. But but it's the same concept. Yeah, I'm excited and a little bit nervous. I think it's time to leave.